everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you want to give me a comment down below, I'd love to know who you are, and if you have a YouTube channel, I would love to follow you back. So be sure to leave that comment down below. Follow me, hit those notifications so that we can be friends. So today I have something that I saw at my local Fred Meyer, which is a Kroger affiliate. I was going through the makeup aisles and I came across this by Milani. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. This is the Milani Eye Tech Perfection Liquid Liner, but it is in such a weird thing. If you look close here, it shows you how to hold it, which is very weird. I was intrigued. I thought I would give it a shot. I've never used anything like this before. I have seen like Korean brands use things like this where they have like the little finger holder. So this configuration is supposed to make it a lot easier to do your liner. So we're gonna find out, because that's really the only thing I have left on my face to do is my liner. I figured I would give this a shot and see what it does. I got it in black at 01, and they have like little, like, you know, ways to do it. If you want a thin line, if you want a medium line, or if you want a heavy line, how to hold it. So let's open this up and take a look. I'm so weirded out. This is so strange. I don't know. Is this a felt liner? This is a felt tip liner. Okay, so it looks like you hold it like that. Okay. I feel like it's like it looks like Bellatrix Lestrange's wand in Harry Potter. And then there's the cap. Oh, it's really thin. It's a really thin felt tip liner. So that should be really interesting. So you hold it like this, and okay. Am I ready for this? I think I'm ready for this. I don't know. So let's actually swatch it first. It's definitely black. It's not like a really hard black. It's a soft black. So the tip feels soft. It almost feels a little too soft, like it's like wiggly. I don't know. That might be a problem. I don't know. I always like my tips firm.
That's what she said.
Shut up. So let's give this a shot. See how it goes. I don't know. Okay. Wasn't so hard. Let's try the wing. It's okay. So for the wing, I usually do it this way, and this is a little difficult to hold like this because I feel like I'm like crooking my hand over. It's not bad. What do you think? It's actually not bad. That was a whole lot easier than I thought it would be. So maybe there is something to this. I don't know. Let's try the other eye and let's see how it works. It's so weird to hold this. Okay. I feel like it's like, I feel like I need to get a better grip on it. Like that. I don't know. Let's figure this out. Okay. Wing. That was actually not bad at all. Like, not even a little bit. Okay. I'm like confused about this product because it was uncomfortable to hold, and I'm sure that that's something that you get used to, but the line on my liner is so incredibly smooth that I'm a little shocked by it. I will say this feels kind of dry. I don't know if that makes any sense. I know that liners can be a little bit more wet and a little bit more dry, and I definitely feel like this is more on the dry side. It's also on the soft side, so if you're looking for a soft black, this might work for you. But for me, I prefer the black liner to be a little bit harder. But it's not bad. Maybe it's just me. I feel like it's almost like drying out. It's not really drying out though. Like it's there, but it feels dry. It doesn't feel like wet. I don't know how else to say it. The tip is a little too wiggly for me too. But the line, I mean, it worked. The line was great. It worked really well. So I don't know. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more, but I would say for $6.99, that's what the price that it was at the store. I mean, I would definitely give it a shot. That's pretty cheap for a black felt liner. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. It feels real plasticky and it feels really light. So it doesn't feel expensive, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I don't know, maybe just give it a shot and see what you think. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you like it. I would love to hear from you. And be sure to subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload. And I will see you next time. Thanks.